Hi friends, it's Toy Food Fun, and today we get to do some microwave magic. I'm so excited, I hope you're excited too. I'm going to take this regular, just like home cupcake. It's vanilla with pink frosting and purple dots, and I'm going to put it in my just like home microwave. Push start and see what happens. My cupcake looks just the same. I'm not sure anything happened. Let me take it out. The cupcake does look exactly the same. Oh, but there's something else inside. There's Delish, the Shopkins donut. That's really cool. I'm glad you joined us, Delish. Well, let's try this again. I've got this beautiful floral cupcake. Seems pretty normal inside. Let's put it back together and put it in the microwave. Let's push start and see what happens. My cupcake looks pretty much the same. Oh, what happened? I heard a popping. Did you hear that? Wonder what that could be. Here's a cupcake. The frosting popped off. Oh, and it's our Shopkins friend, the Pop Rock Candy. I keep on forgetting his name. If you know his name, tell me in the comments. This has been pretty fun. Not exactly what I expected, but let's try it again. Let's try this purple cupcake. Has a chocolate bottom, looks pretty normal. Let's put it in the microwave. Excuse me, friends. Let's push the button, push start, and see what happens. La-dee-dum, la-dee-dum, la-dee-dum. What are we gonna get now? This is so exciting. It's our cupcake and our Shopkins friends, Cheesy. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her wink. Let's set her over here. Let's try another cupcake. Perfectly normal cupcake. This is what the cupcake looks like. Yellow vanilla bottom and a white frosting top. Let's put this in our microwave. La-dee-dum, la-dee-dum. Wonder what's going to happen this time. Oh, I see something in there with our cupcake. Let's open it up. With our cupcake is this totally adorable Shopkins Birthday Betty. This is so fun. You put in a cupcake and you get a birthday cake out. Let's try this again. Another beautiful floral cupcake. It's pretty normal. Let's put it in our microwave. Push start. Wonder what's going to happen this time. I don't see anything inside of this microwave. But the frosting does look a lot larger. Let's see what's going on. Yes, there's something definitely strange about the frosting on this cupcake. It did not look like this when I put it in the microwave. Oh my goodness, look at... It's our Shopkins friend, Taco Terry. He hitched a ride on this yummy chocolate cupcake. Hi, Taco Terry. Hello. I love microwave magic. This is so much fun. Now let's try our last cupcake. It's purple frosting, vanilla bottom. Let's place it in the microwave. push start. See what happens. Oh, I definitely see someone in there. It's a Shopkins. Let's open it up. Here's our normal purple cupcake. I see a Shopkins scone. Hi, Sconey. We're so happy to see you. We had so much fun doing microwave magic today. If you'd like to see more microwave magic videos, tell us in the comments. And don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks for joining us with Toy Food Fun. Hope to see you again soon.